The transformation of Vassar Brothers Medical Center on the banks of the Hudson River is taking shape.
So this is your new home in 2 years. And see how big it is?
The stunning new $545 million patient pavilion at HealthQuest's flagship hospital is the largest construction project in City of Poughkeepsie history.
When I first walked into the pavilion, all I could think of is this is going to be our new home. Look at where we get to be.
The position of this building on the Hudson River is just a phenomenal site location. I mean, every single patient room is going to have a spectacular view. And this is something that's going to transform healthcare in the Hudson Valley, and I think it's something we should all be very proud of.
We're going to be really on the cutting edge. We're going to be a teaching hospital, and you've got the best of both worlds with that.
These down here face the trauma rooms, which are right off of the ambulance entrance.
Patients coming into the emergency room, one of the biggest things, they don't want to wait. And we're putting some processes in place, and they're going to get to be seen by a provider almost immediately.
There are 3 elevators. This one goes right up into the ICU, goes all the way up, and then goes to the helipad on the roof.
It'll definitely help as we need to transport any critical patients out, and we'll be receiving critical patients in, so we're definitely excited about the new helipad.
We're going to be able to give people autonomy and privacy that they need and deserve.
For each area, there is at least 1 nursing station. The OB's got 1, psych's got 1, pediatrics, 2 in minor care, 2 in med surge.
I'm looking forward the most to appreciating all the new massive space. Just being able to see the stages, the lines on the floor, the steel beams, the way the concrete is poured.
This is CT. This is CT with a control room.
Okay.
And then the trauma resuscitations go out that way.
So we have over 200 workers currently right now. In order to coordinate all the workers, every morning there's a team huddle, and they go over things like hazard analysis, and they determine ways to avoid those hazards.
One of the things that we have to make sure is that the ductwork we put up is clean. So you see each one of them is sealed at the end.
Construction has changed a lot since I started my career. I think the biggest change is the implementation of technology. Well, now we have iPads, so you look at every floor, you can see in an iPad, you can zoom in, you can mark it up in real time, send it to people. The other thing is building coordination, which we call BIM. It's actually the 3D building information modeling, which is done on every inch of the building, where you can see in 3D on the computer screen every single piece of conduit, every structural member, and every pipe. I think it's just bringing a higher level of healthcare to the people of the region. To be a part of that and give all these nurses and doctors and staff the opportunity to do their best without restriction.
The new patient pavilion at Vassar Brothers Medical Center will be a landmark and asset for the community, a gateway to the city, and a site known for excellent patient care and services.
This is really going to inspire us to take our A game to a whole new level.
We can't wait for this place to open.